I don't think I filmed this before, strangely. This is a Barbeiro lane, Travessa de Barbeiro. And it kind of comes out to this Alameda Ribeira, which has these nice black and white tiles. And it actually goes over to Solano Square, which is right over there. So we're going to tie it into these in a moment as well. And then you can also go down this way. And it also has that same kind of feeling. And then you have all the beautiful buildings all the way down to Pont 16. So let's check this out, Travessa de Barbeiro. This little lane right here. We'll see what it looks like. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so this is our lane, Travessa de Barbeiro. It's kind of interesting. The architecture is beautiful in this area. So we're just going to walk directly down that way, and then I think we're going to walk maybe in a little bit of a loop towards Solano Square as well. So stay tuned for that. We kind of give you a little context of the different spots that we're at. There's another, let me just kind of come in real quick. We got the black and white tiles all the way down as well. So you can see these kind of Portuguese, you got like a little scorpion, and then you got different black and white tiles. Very Portuguese-ish. So let's head on down our street. Let's see if we can target and see how interesting it may or may not be. So we have some flower sellers here. It's kind of cool. Hello. That looks nice. Hello. So they sell flowers right here. We'll keep on going down. And we got some more vendors here as well. That's kind of interesting door. Looks like they sell shoes and suitcases. So it's kind of a small little alley. Then it comes out, and now you have more market stuff as well. This comes right up to the Mercadores. Got a coffee shop. And there's also a temple over here, so I think I might actually tie this into the temple. Oh, you know what? This pink building, I've seen this one before. I was kind of looking at it in the past. Let me just go back a little bit. See that pink building? Yeah, not too long ago I filmed this street, and I was focused on this one right here, Central Hotel. And then this one, this pink building was kind of strange because it's, let me get out of the sun a little bit. But you can see up there it says 1988 and then it says 1928, so there's actually two different years on it. It's kind of peculiar. So we're going to step back this way just a little tiny bit. Give you a little bit of context of all these ones. So yeah, that building goes right down that one, and that's Barbeiro, Travessa de Barbeiro. So we got some other little lanes in here too. This one is like another merchant's lane. This one's called Rua Leste do Mercado do São Domingos. So it's I think it's east of the market. Oh. Let's walk briefly into this little area. That's Central Hotel. This one is just being restored now. It's a really beautiful building. Beautiful colors. And then we have a temple right in here as well. Oh, there's Tudigong and the wife. Oh, look how beautiful that is right there. So I'm not going to go in. Okay. Temple built in 1700s. Budos Mercado. These are the streets around here. Old Chinese Bazaar. Okay. Let me see. You know what? I'm kind of tempted just to go all the way around in a circle. Just to give you the full context. And you got Central Hotel right here. Still under construction as well. And then that pink building, that's our target street right there. You can see Grand Lisboa Casino right over there in the distance as well. Oh, this is still that this still has that, it says Oeste do Mercado de São Domingos. So it's, I think that's east or west, I forget. Oeste and Este. The Oeste, east and west is really similar words when I read them and when I translate them. They look quite similar to me. So anyways, our target street was right up here. And we're going to look at it again, and then we're going to go up to Senado Square and kind of give you the full context of exactly where we're at. But yeah, this is Travessa de Barbeiro. And that was our target street. And we're just kind of going around a little bit, show you some of what the rest looks like. And Senado Square is straight ahead. You do have all these black and white, the crabs. So kind of see, that one's kind of an ocean one. Then this comes right out to Senado Square. And here we are, Senado Square. That changes all the time with different things. Now it's kind of a Christmas theme. And I'm gonna go across. I wanna get out of the sun for one. And I'm just gonna look down. So our target street was directly down that way. All the way down. This is a pretty big, this is where the Senate used to be, so this is a very popular place for tourists to come in and take a look around. Just right in this neighborhood as well. They got more Christmas things. I guess since it's Christmas and people might be interested. We'll take a look at it real quick. So we're gonna set back out. So it's in December, so we definitely have a Christmas theme here. That was our target street. Oops. And yeah, so it's and we're gonna so basically our little lane was just right off of this one, and this is kind of a main street that goes all the way down to this way. It goes to MGM and such. And there's even the post office with some Christmas as well. And there's Senado Square. So we're gonna end our video. But yeah, we're basically, you can see that green building right there. And we're basically between that one and the green building was our target today. So, hope you enjoy it. Macau. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
coxinha. Toma coito da bovidinha.